good evening, everyone. So it's your boy Papi. It's Monday. The week is already been kick off, and for this week I'll be focusing on the first three pairs, which are GJ, Gold, and US 30. So basically I've run some check on GU, EU, and UJ, but I can't say anything. I'm not interested in those pairs. So my focus alone is just GG Gold and US 30. So let's get back to business. So let's start with GJ. So GJ on the daily time frame, we can see there's a bullish fair value gap at this area. There's a bullish fair value gap at this area, and what price is showing some kind of reaction at this bullish fair value gap. We can see it reacted on the OB here at this level, OB level on the fair value gap. Then what the price do? Price swept this low here. ICT traders we call it turtle soup. There are different terms to it, but basically it's just a liquidity sweep, you understand. So we can see that okay, price swept this area, and the way price is moving, it swept the area and it's showing that okay, yes, buyers are in. So what would be our drawn liquidity for GJ? So our drawn liquidity will be at this high here. And for the sake of people that did not know, so you can also see um a bearish fair value gap here, right? But at this area, right, the reason why we are not concerned about this area just because of price is not reacting at this area. Instead, is giving what a continuation reaction. That is, we are still bullish, you understand. That is, buyers are in, you understand. So we are not interested in this area at all. Instead, we are interested in this area. So, and my drawn liquidity for GJ is at this high. So let me clear this box and go time frame lower. So so going to my on our time frame, we can see this is where price swept, give the sweep of liquidity around this area. So what happened here, we can see that price what it gave what the market structure shift, and this market structure shift is a very valid one because the structure shift came with what displacement, that is to show that yes, buyers are in. So what do? I look for my entry. So for my entry, um I would love to pick this area as my liquidity area. Then my other block will be at this area. So let me go to my 30 minutes time frame. For people that did not understand the reason why I picked this area, according to key levels, there are different kinds of key levels. There's A shape, V shape, then no CHL, like open close key level, you understand. So this area is an open close key level, and an open close key level is always either an A shape or V shape key level in the lower time frame. So if I go to my 30 minutes time frame now, we see that it will give either A shape or V shape. So you can see that there's an A shape at this area. So I would love to pick this area as what my other block. Then I'm going to take my long position to then put it at this area. Here will my stop loss be. I can put my stop loss at this area. Then my TP will be at my draw on what my draw on liquidity. So 762. So yeah, it's my TP. So this 6.8 R. So, so that is that about GG. So that is that about GG. So let's go to gold now. Gold. um so on my daily time frame, you can say that gold is what is bullish, you understand. And let's read the structure on the daily time frame together. We can see that after this break of structure here, gold reacted on this bullish fair value gap here, tapped on it, and it rejected the area, understand. Then it went higher, then it gave this break of structure. And our next point of interest is what, this fair value gap around here. So basically, this fair value gap in some brokers chart, this fair value gap will be like um e is it breakaway can I call it breakaway gap, or like market open gap? Yeah, market open gap. So in some brokers chart it will be like a market opening gap, but because I use this forex.com, so it's giving me a fair value gap, so it's still the same thing, understand. So you can see a fair value gap on the daily time frame here. So actually this is my point of interest, because if I go lower and I'm seeing another fair value gap, right, I won't focus on those fair value gap, because this particular fair value gap on the daily time frame will act as what, a magnet, you understand. It will act as a magnet to pull price down to this area, you understand. So my focus is this fair value gap here. So let me clear this box and then go time frame lower, 4 hours time frame. So on my 4 hours time frame here, so we can see again, if fair value gap, then another fair value gap again. Yeah, price is trying to fill. So and what did I see earlier? I said I won't be focusing on any other fair value gap. My primary focus now is this fair value gap around this area, around this on my daily time frame rather. So I'm focusing on this fair value gap. So the fair value gap happening on my 4 hours is nothing to me. And plus I can say that price is not reacting on either of these fair value gap, you understand. Price is not reacting on it. So let me, I can say, okay, for now, um my buyers on gold is bearish to which, to what level? Per se, to this level. Yeah. So understand. So this area will be my draw on liquidity, you understand. So and because since I am bearish, so what do? I look for a bearish move, like areas where I can mark as my point of interest, like my bearish point of interest, you understand. So going to my 1 hour time frame, so we can see here that okay, price is what is reacting. It rejected this area, and not only the rejection, but it gave a liquidity sweep around this area, you understand. Then it break out, you understand, with a displacement. So and we can see this area here, this breaker block here, this area is yet to be mitigated, you understand. So and this area serves as my liquidity area. So what do? I wait for price to come back to this um to this um to this level to take me in. because I'll be going for a short time sell. You understand? It's just a reversal. You understand? So we're trading the reversals. So basically, it's just um, so we're trading the reversals. You understand? To this level. You understand? So if I'm to go to my daily time frame to cross check my daily time frame, and we can see that we are exactly inside the daily fair value gap. You understand? So the time frame are aligning. You understand? So I'll be bearish to this level on gold, yeah, on gold. So that is that on gold. So last but not the least, US 30. Um, so US 30 on my daily time frame. What's happening on my daily time frame? Well, price is showing some sort of reaction because this candlestick movement is showing reaction. I think price is what's reacting from this, maybe this OB, yeah, but I'm not interested. I don't, like I said, I don't like saying I think. I don't like it. I react based on what I see. You understand? I trade what I see. So since I'm not seeing anything yet on US 30 on the daily, so I can go to my 4 hours to check. Maybe I'll see something. But meanwhile, I know that this candlestick movement is showing some sort of reaction, and plus you can see that this price is what I think is acting based on sweeping this low. You understand? But and not only this low already, and is what is closing above it and even above this low. You understand? So some sort of rejection. You understand? So the rejection is coming from this other block here, from this other block here. So that's what I can see on my daily. So let me go on my 4 hours. So on my 4 hours, so what's happening on my 4 hours? Okay, we can see that price is what's acting bullish here. You can see a bullish sentiment here on the 4 hours. So what happened here? There's a fair value gap here at this area, but what the price do? Price broke it. It did not reject from that fair value gap. That is to show that okay, the the bulls are in. You understand? And because I trade liquidity to liquidity, like I love trading liquidity pools a lot. You understand? So for price to break this fair value gap here, so where will be my draw on liquidity? My draw on liquidity will be at this fair value gap area. You understand? Because price moves what liquidity to liquidity. So my next draw liquidity will be at this area here, because what there is a fair value gap around this area. So I'll be looking for price to like pull to this area. Understand? So that will make that area my draw on liquidity. So since I've marked my draw on liquidity now, so what am I after buys? You understand? So I'm looking for my buy setup. So we can see price swept this low, then gave what a structure shift, um and the structure shift is not just an ordinary structure shift, it came with what a displacement. Yeah, so where will be my entry? And with what I'm seeing here, I'll be waiting for price to come to this extreme level, because I don't know, waiting for price to come to this extreme level to sweep all this liquidity, then I will buy from here. And fine, if price did not come to this area, I'm fine with it because I don't like guessing, understand? Like this is my last liquidity area. So I'll be waiting for price to clear this liquidity before I buy. And if price did not come to this area before it goes to my drawn liquidity, fine. No offense. Understand? So I'll be taking my buys from this area. Taking my buys from this area. Stop loss will be below this area then. I'll be targeting what 8R. 8R. So that would be my entry points, understand, on US 30. So that's about that. So that's 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 all. So, and if this video is helpful to you, please do well to subscribe and turn up your notification bell because I'll be dropping videos every day back to back. Understand? So yeah, so cheers, good night.